We are sorry to interrupt your program on this Elephant Land channel. The following is an emergency alert system bulletin. This is not a test. Important details will follow. The Department of Elephant Defense has issued a rhino attack for all of Elephant Land until further notice. Retaxas and all of his rhinos are planning to wipe out almost all of the entire elephant population, set your houses on fire, and then take over all of Elephant Land. If you see or hear an angry mob of rhinos, evacuate your current location and seek shelter immediately. If no shelter can be found, please lay flat in the nearest ditch and cover your head completely. If a rhino sees you, he will capture you as fast as he can, and will send you to Retaxas Palace. There is no use calling for help. The rhinos have already wiped out the emergency help elephants. Repeat, the Department of Elephant Defense has issued a rhino attack for all of Elephant Land until further notice. Rhino attack update. The rhinos have been spotted about 5 miles west of Elephant Land and they are running at approximately 70 miles per hour. All elephants in the village area